Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay, back with another video. This video is October's cash stuffing. It is the only one, so we are going to get right into it. We are stuffing, I believe, $710, but let's just make sure. I did write in it, so yeah, we're stuffing $710, and I have everything broken out right there. So we're just gonna get our money on the tray. Alright, so if you are new, thank you for tuning in. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And without further ado, we're gonna get right into stuffing. We have a lot to discuss, a lot to go over, and a lot to catch up on. So if you are interested in watching this video, stay tuned and let's get into it. So before we start, I am going to try to do this quickly because I charged my camera and it's literally saying that it's about to die. So annoying. But scripture for today is, whatever you do, do it with all your heart. Colossians chapter 3 verse 23. I think that's just something nice to hear. Put your all into everything that you're doing, no matter how small or how big. Do it with all your heart. So we are going to stuff my wallet. I did get these new envelopes from Monet's Money. I will link her down below. I wanted something just plain. I had ones in there, but I just wanted something plain. So gas is getting 45, which I need to go put in my gas tank today. Alright, so next we have food. Food is going to be getting 15. Put those in there. I don't really know how I want this to be, but date night is going to be getting 25. 25. Shopping is going to be getting 20. I don't know what I'm going to use that for. Probably, honestly, would be using it for books. I've been on a book kick. And then this is just in here for when I have, like, when I have my nail money or my self-care money in there, and I don't want to actually bring my whole wallet cash envelope binder out. And I don't think I have any coins in here, but I have a whole bunch of coins, so. Oh, I do have some coins in here. Okay. Let's empty that out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. That's going to go on my dollar savings challenge. I don't have my envelope with me for that, so I'll put that in there. So next we're going to do coins, because I always follow the wallet. And we have a whole bunch of coins, so this will get fast forwarded for sure. We have 87.92. So let's see. So we now have $107.55. That's crazy. It's a lot of coins. That thing's getting heavy. Alright, so Next, we are going into our cash envelopes. Look how cute my new binders are. I know every video I have had a new binder and it's ridiculous, but I'm done buying things. But I just thought like these were the cutest things, and they're from Ben Rad Shop. And I will link her stuff below. We're gonna start with Fun Money. Fun Money is going to get $5. It has 5 in here, so we're just gonna have 10. So 10. Self-care has $20 in it, and we're adding in 15. So we're gonna have a total of 35, 20, 30, 35. Which I am getting my nails done and a wax next week. Emergency fund has $100 in it, and we're adding 5, so we should have a total of 105. Yeah, 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105. I was glad when I went to get my car done that I did not have to pull out of this, because I got my oil change and I was expecting to get my brakes done as well, but they were like, oh no, you can get them your next oil change. So I'm gonna get them probably in like November or December. I just want to save the money for it. Car maintenance has 20. It's also going to be getting 5, so we should have 25, 25. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get it done in November or December, just to be on the safe side, because it is due. And I don't want to play with like brakes. So medical dental has 15. Oh my gosh, the medical bills I have had from my tendinitis and my right wrist. I had to get a brace, and I think I have like a bill for like $170 something. So switching over to my new insurance sucks. It sucks so much. I miss my mom's insurance so much. It's not even funny. I am annoyed at adulting that they just kick you off your parents' insurance at 26, and because my job has their enrollment in July, I had to switch over before I even turned 26. So annoying. The insurance sucks. My mom's insurance was A1. So medical and dental has 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. At this point, I'm kind of like, if something's wrong with me, I'm trying to get it together at home rather than have to go in and pay money, because I'm over it. So now we are going to our cash envelopes. Birthdays and gifts is getting $5. And we have $75 in here, so it should be 80. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Which is great. The only birthday I have coming up is hubby's, so we'll try to keep this not for him. Try to keep this for the next year rolling up. Hubby has 25 in here, and he's going to be getting 20. So you should have 45, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And we are trying to get this up for his birthday. My next check, I did pick up some hours, and we're gonna hit him with some big bills, because we need to get his birthday right. Vacation has $25, and we're adding 5 to it. So we're having 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. $30 for vacation. And I'm just going to try to add like a decent amount in there every time. Grad school is getting $25. I do have money in the bank, but this is just like an additional that we're just putting in here. I did start classes basically this week. And I already have money put aside for the spring already, like $400. I think I put like, yeah, $430 total towards the spring already, so that's good. I am still taking 2 classes a semester right now to see how it goes, because I really want to finish by December 2023 so I can go on with my life and basically have one more year left in my hospital because I signed a contract, and then be able to be free if I want to go elsewhere or drop my hours, etc., etc. Yeah, I think I actually have like 2 more years, but still, I want to have the flexibility of already being done my degree, so then it's there for when I need to use it. Textbooks isn't getting anything. I already bought my textbook for this class, and I probably won't even use it, but we'll see. Christmas has $250 in it right now, and we're gonna add 50 so that we're gonna be at 300 and only $200 more for our goal. Okay, 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300. $200 more and we are good. So I am like, about the holidays. I'm getting like really nervous because if you have paid attention to the news, the numbers of RSV, which is a virus, respiratory virus, in kids is going up, and so many babies and kids are being hospitalized that it's just like so scary. Besides COVID and the fact that it's flu season and all that already, it's just like, So the holidays are really kind of like making me nervous, because that's when everyone tends to get sick anyway, because you're gathering together. But now that like people aren't wearing masks anymore, and just like the restrictions are kind of like eased up since the past, I think this winter is, in the hospital, we're all just talking about how like pretty much the winter is going to be pretty bad. So that just makes me nervous, but nonetheless, $200 away from our Christmas goal. Simplikay has $10. We're gonna add 5. My goal is to add 5 and everything if I don't have like a set goal for it. So 5, 10, 15. At least every check, try to put $5 in everything unless I really don't need it. P.O. Box has nothing. It's going to be getting 5. I'm holding on to this a little bit longer. We'll see. I don't know. When God blesses me, it's for me to bless you has $50, and it's getting 50. I mean, it's getting 5, so we should have 55. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. This is going to be great by the time we get to 3,000 subscribers. It's taken a little bit of time, but I do realize I've been a little inconsistent and haven't been able to do things as I have planned or wanted to, but that's the life of a new mom. So Sally Mae is, it has $115 in it, and it's going to be getting $400. Yes, I said $400. And this is going towards the loan that we're working on. I will have a separate video for debt to go over those numbers, because some people might not really be interested in the debt, so we keep those separate over there. So stay tuned for that. I'll go into detail more about the debt, where we're at, how much is left, what the goal is for the rest of the year, and so forth and so on. So we should have $515. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 500, 510, 515. So I kind of think I'm going to save up until 1,000 and then pay 1,000 on the loan. We're at, I think, like 11,000 on this one. So trying to get that together. And now we're going to go into our savings challenge. So we have October that we're stuffing. The goal was to at least have $100 each month, but some months, you know, you fall short, and some you do more. So August we got 100, September we got 25, and then I'm about to put in $50 for October, and then we are going to move on to November because it's practically November. So however much we get, this is just like extra money that I'm able to put aside into this challenge. Like I said, I might use it to go towards the heat. I might use it to go towards the loans. I don't really know right now. Probably to the heat, because that's what's most important, is a warm house. So that is that. And that is all that I have for this video. Thank you guys who have been still supporting and rocking with me, even though the consistency has been a struggle. I do apologize for not being as consistent, but sometimes I just have lazy days, and I'm honestly adjusting to still being a mom, and the days are tiring of working. I'm back to schoolwork and spending time with family and trying to spend time with hubby and give my all to everybody. I also have to fill up my own cup, so this has kind of taken a back burner, but I am going to try to make it a way to where whatever I do on YouTube, I can stay consistent and it won't be so hard for me to do so. So stay tuned for the changes as soon as I figure out how I'm going to get everything done and what I'm going to do. But thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.